So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Save More. So nag-iisip kami kung anong maganda ipamigay sa mga bata.
Let's buy chocolate.
Chocolate. Na naman.
No, no, no. Guys, Valentine's, diba? Diba? Tama din.
Oh my God!
I wanna buy this. This is not
Not sure. What's that?
mucho.
Enough?
This is 10 pieces in a size.
Maybe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many pieces?
70? Thank you.
This is 6 pieces. So, per box, meron siyang 10 pieces. So, total of 60. Guys, ito yung favorite ko nung bata ko. So, I hope magustuhan din ng mga bata.
Sorry guys, this is cheapest.
Yeah, and this is the cheapest chocolate. Kaya ito yung napili namin. 8 out of 10.
So yummy, right?
Yeah.
Cheap, mura.
But
Masarap.
masarap. So they're gonna open the box
Igatan ko sa inyo mata.
first. Per piece.
Ayan, si ano, si